take the number 83, and technically, yes, that's more than any other woman has achieved in the history, but there will always be a huge fan base that believes that Lindsay is the greatest female skier of all time. There will be plenty of people who don't care what I achieve. They believe Ingemar is the greatest. They believe Marcel Hirscher is the greatest. They believe Lindsay is the greatest. And so their legacies will always remain intact, and they will always be a part of ski racing history because of that. And sure, people will believe that about me as well. And I think the greatest accomplishment is just to be part of that conversation. After the Olympics last year, I'm like, I mean, I'm not going to fail bigger than that, probably. And I survived it. And then I realized that pretty much everything is survivable. Everything that is going to happen in my ski career is fully survivable, no matter what it is, whether it's great or it's terrible. It's just not the end of the world.